What's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. You probably can't tell, but outside it's really cold outside right now, and kind of wet and rainy, and not a really good day to go out and do a video and a ride. But I did want to take a few minutes and do a shout out to Ironborn Rider. He had a little contest going on his channel, and I ended up, I subscribed to his channel and I made some comments and all, and I ended up winning a little prize. He did send it to me, so I'm going to do a quick little review on it, tell y'all what I think. But if you would, so here's the package. Definitely don't want to give any of his information out or mine, but again, another shout out to Ironborn Rider for this. Did not have to do it, but it's a little gift here, and I'm going to open it up real quick, show you all what it is, and then do a quick little review. So I'm unboxing or unwrapping the package now. So get that. Definitely want to be careful. Got the package open, and show you all what it is. So it's Atom Cycle Ceramics HD 1903 polish and sealant. So there it is. So again, Ironborn Rider, thank you for sending this out to me. I'm definitely going to try it. They also sent me a nice micro fiber towel. So I've got some of my own also, but this looks like a nice quality one, new one, so it's not used. So anyway, I'll knock the dust off the bike, and then I'll look at making sure I know how to put this on, read the directions, and then I will do a short little quick clip and show you what it is. So I'm going to just do a little test spot right here. It does seem to be a little glossier right there, so let me get over in here. Rub it in good. Not too sure if you can see that, but it definitely shines it up. So let's go right here onto the tank. Looks pretty good. Get this other side. Back you up just to here. Let's hopefully y'all can see that. y'all up just a little bit. Check out my microfiber. Not sure if y'all can really tell a whole lot, but I can tell a huge difference in the way it looks. Let's check out this front fender. Fork legs. Again, I'm not sure if you guys can really see it or not, but the little bit of bug gut right there, that it pulled it right off, guys, right off. Well, come around over here and I'm gonna check this other saddlebag. I'm very impressed, y'all. It's move back right here, and I'm gonna do the back of the saddlebags, and then I know y'all didn't want to care a whole lot about me wiping my bike down today. And it doesn't seem like it takes very much of this stuff either. So you can see it wiping right off too. It no streaking, no anything. I'm gonna get the side of this saddlebag right here. Really, the bike was already cleaned, everyone. I just wanted to do this and get a shout out to Ironborn Rider for sending this to me. He didn't have to do that. It is greatly appreciated. I will say that this is a Atom Cycle Ceramics. It's a maker, motorcycle and car, HD 1903, polish and sealant. I just became a fan of it. So I'm not going to bore everyone with all the details and hanging around for the rest of this, but again, this is a good product right here. Initial first impressions. So I will use it on my other bike, and if I have any issues with it, I'll let y'all know. But again, Ironborn Rider, thank you for sending this out. The HD 1903 polish and sealant. If you would, everyone, please like and subscribe, and hope everybody has a blessed day.